YouTube.
We're doing an unboxing video.
As Pudgy Jr. said, we are doing an unboxing video of my new laptop. The Asus Tough Gaming laptop. I believe this is the A15.
The keyboard glows like mine, but there's different colors and mine goes white.
So I'm probably going to have Pudgy hold the computer, or may hold the phone, while we unbox it. So Pudgy, going to come over here and just hold it steady, okay? Can you do that? Can you do that?
Yeah, you have to use.
Don't move it too much. Just zoom in and out when you like that, or... Alright. Cool. So you got me in the video? Alright, so we're going to do an unboxing of my new laptop. So we're going to already unwrap the tape. So we're just going to take it out. So this is what they give us the laptop in. So here's the laptop.
Ooh.
Here is the box. We'll push that to the back. Here is the laptop. They give you a nice little fabric thing right there. And there's the laptop. Oh, nice.
I like it.
Brand new. How about that?
It glows in the dark and it changes different colors.
It sure does. The keyboard does at least. So we are going to put this to the side for now. Over there. And then we're going to bring the box back. And then we're going to see what else we got inside. So I will take the phone back. And this is what we get inside. So we got a user manual.
Probably don't need that.
Probably don't need it. We get this, well, let's take this stuff out, see what we can do here. Let's see what else we get. I think that's it, but there's like a little tool in here that I think we can use. If you know what that is, put that in the comments below.
Please.
Of course, if I read the manual, I think I know what it is, but off the top of my head, I'm not really sure. Alright, so you get that. And then you get another little piece, all the bolts. I hope I don't have to do any assembling. That's my cat you hear in the background. The bolts.
Maybe just in case you need to upgrade it.
Probably. That's my cat huffing and puffing. Alright, so we figure out what else is in this box. I think that's pretty much it.
There's something in there.
Alright, so now it comes with the 150 watt, wow, power block. 150 watt power block for the power supply.
Ooh.
Nice. And then we got the power adapter cord that runs it. I don't know if that'll be long enough to connect to my computer over there. We'll have to figure that out. That comes with that. And I believe that's everything.
That's a very small video.
So put that over there. We're still gonna film. I think make sure there's nothing up top here. I don't think there's anything up top. So we'll move the box actually over there, back over there. It's not gonna be a very long video. Just an unboxing video. Oh, we give a special shout out to our buddy there, Utep. Yeah, he's gonna kill me now. Utecpia. Oh, I should have did this. You know what?
What?
I should have had this planned out for him. Utecpia.com. I'll pull up his website for y'all. Give me 1 minute. Oh, wow. It's not on there. Oh, of course, because I added a O. There it is. So we can show y'all his website. There he is. Special shout out to that man right there. Follow him on Utechpia on Amazon Live as well, on live stream. He's the one that kind of like helped me out finding the laptop that I wanted. So give him a shout out right there. That's his website. Just type in utechpia.com. And we'll bring out the laptop. Alright. Mike, you want to hold this again?
Yes, sirree.
And then keep it focused on the thing there. We will open this laptop up.
Oh.
6 cores. Bam, glow in the dark sticks.
You have to press on it first.
Well, I don't know if it's powered up yet.
If it is, then you can press one of the keys and then
Yeah,
it'll
you paying
glow
attention
up
to what you're
and
zooming
change.
into here?
Yeah.
Alright, folks, that is it.
For this episode.
No, we're going to fill a little bit more. We're going to turn it on for them. A little dirt around, it don't really matter.
Okay.
It's pretty cool looking. Huh. Alright, well, it's not turning on, so maybe it's not plugged in. Battery's not charged. I don't know. But that's pretty much it.
Probably need to hold it on and then let go of it
I did that.
for a second. Let go.
I don't know, I got a warranty on it, so we'll get it plugged in and we'll get it going. We'll see how it is. Alright, that's about it. You seen it? And we'll post this video hopefully. And y'all can see it. Where's my other computer?
And make sure to like and subscribe.
There you go, you heard
And
it.
hit that notification bell.
There you go, you heard it from Pudgy Jr. We're out. See ya.